What's going on, YouTube? We back in this thing with another video, man. Before we get into it, you already know I like to say thank you everybody who subscribed to the channel, who watched the videos, man. We are finally monetized, guys. We are finally monetized, so I appreciate every one of you who hit that subscribe button through this process, man, who been rocking with me, man, on building these two vehicles right here. The pickup truck, I did get rid of the pickup truck just to get my Yukon back. So definitely appreciate you guys for rocking with me on this process, man. You already know we working. I 100% appreciate the support, man. We gonna keep moving and grooving. We gonna keep going, and the only way is up. So what we're gonna do today, not gonna be too long of a video, gonna be a quick video. But what we about to do is replace this right here. This is the shift linkage cable. And heck, I hope I said it right, but that's what it is. This one came off my Tahoe. This one came off my 2000 Tahoe Limited that I had. The issue that I was having with the current one that's on here is that when I drop it all the way down to, one, it gets stuck. Let me show you real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So, put the emergency brake on. We can drop that steering wheel off. So, got it cut on. Got it dropped all the way down to 1. And look, I'm stuck. So, it won't go back up. So, what I have to do is I have to get up under the bottom. I'm gonna show you what I gotta do. I be having to get up under the bottom. I know it's dark, but that is, here we go. That's the linkage cable right there. I gotta get up under here. And in order for me to get it back in park, I'm trying to get it to where you can see. I gotta push it forward once. And now it allows me to put the vehicle. Ooh, I'm about to break my mirror. It's already broke. It allows me to put the vehicle back in park. So we about to get that linkage cable changed. And basically how we gonna do that is I'm gonna try to do it without doing so much work. So I'm gonna pop it off from right here. Let me see if I can do it. I'm gonna pop it off from right here. You see where that's at? Which I might not be able to. But we finna try it. So, basically, this the cable right here. And it runs like right here. So we just gonna pop it out. I'm gonna go get a flat head. We're gonna pop that boy out. I'm gonna replace that bracket as well. I don't have the bracket right now. I'll probably go pick it up later on. I can't pick it up later on today. The auto parts store is about to close. So I'll pick it up tomorrow. That bracket, and we're gonna get it replaced. But right now, we just gonna go ahead and replace the cable. I dropped something. I don't know what it was. Oh, okay. Spray bottle. So what I'm gonna try to do, get up in here and just pop it off versus removing everything. Up. Tan up. I'm tearing up. All right, so see, got it popped off. Got it popped off, so that's a plus. I ain't have to do too much work. And then next, what we gonna do is we gonna come up under here, and then, see, it's hard for you to see, but we're gonna slide it out from right there. So, it's some clips. It's clipped in. I'm gonna show you on the one I got off. You see them clips right there? So we're gonna have to remove those clips and pop this one on there. So I'm gonna cut you off, remove the clips, and then I'll cut you back on shortly. All right, so I got that one popped off, and then we about to slide this one into place. And I'm shooting 2 videos in one day, guys, so trying to continue to have my content going. So that's why I'm shooting 2 videos in one day. But I'm trying to get you where you can see. Hold on. You see my hand back down? You see my hand back down? Where is it? There's my hand right here. We about to slide the new one, well, the used one, into place. Alright. So I got that one. Got it snapped into place. And then we gonna pop that piece on, if I can. Alright, but that's the piece right there I gotta pop on. I'll pop it on in a minute. It's in there. I just gotta pop it on. So that's a plus. And then really, you just pop it out from right here and then pull it out. So, alright, I couldn't pop it out. So, couldn't pop it in. So what I'm gonna do is get up under the bottom and unhook this other one and then pop the new one in. And then I'm gonna try to unhook the other one. I'll pop the one on the steering column in a minute. And then tomorrow, when I get the bracket, I'll show me putting that bracket on. Hopefully it don't take much to put that bracket on. If I'm having an issue with that bracket for real. So, yeah, I'm having an issue because you see how it's zip tied? I got a zip tie up there. See, I got that zip tie up there. So I'm gonna see how to change that bracket tomorrow. Hopefully it don't take much to get it changed out. Yeah, I hope it don't take much to get it changed out. But I'm about to pop that off right there. What you said, pop that off right there. And then cut them zip ties and then I'll remove it. see. It don't want to pop off of here either. Hold on. My bad, I had it zoomed in, guys. Alright, so that's what we finna get off now. If I can get my lighting right. I ain't gonna keep trying to mess with this lighting on y'all. Let me pop this off, and then when I get the other one on, I'll show you. But this one I'm pulling off. All of this right here is zip tied and everything. So we just gonna snatch that off and put another one in here. So you see the zip ties is zip tied all the way through. So give me a minute. All right, guys. So I did end up, oh, hold on, my camera fogged up. So I ended up pulling this bracket off. It was messed up some. As you can tell, I painted it. It was messed up. So I was bending, heating it up, and trying to bend it back in place. And I got it as good as I can get it. So I'm about to slap this bracket back on, and then hook the cable back up. So these are the two bolts that hold the bracket on. There's some T40, it's a T40 bolt. That's what hold the bracket on. And we gonna get up under here and put this boy back in there, man. So the bracket go right up in here. I just gotta remember where, but it go right up in here. And it's these two T40 bolts. So let me slide up under here. So it mounts on this one right here. This is one mounting point, and then the other mounting point is up in here. So I think, I can't remember yet. So it goes just like this. Hold on, what is that gonna break it at? I'm trying to show it to you, because I'm up under the vehicle, so it's harder for me. There we go. So it goes just like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw them screws in there, and I'm gonna cut you back on in a minute. Snap, about to start off, drop it. All right, YouTube. So we back under the vehicle. You see, I got it on there. What I gotta do now is go find the little clip piece that goes in there. I need to go find the little clip piece that go in there to lock it in, so I won't have no issues. My bracket was bent, so I just bent it back in shape, and it's working good now. The issue that I was having is I would drop it all the way down to 1 and it would get stuck. But now you see it's going back and forth real good. So that fixed that issue. So that definitely took care of that issue, guys. So that's how you replace your shift linkage cable. I just took mine off my 2000 Tahoe that I just that I had red. So I didn't go buy another one, but they like $40 on Amazon. They like $40 on Amazon, $40 on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. And go tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. We'll be back with another video soon.